Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Thinkorswim trading platform. First, download and install the Thinkorswim application on your computer or mobile device. Then, simply log in with your brokerage account details. Take a moment to explore the main interface, paying attention to key areas like the monitor and trade tabs. This initial step is crucial for getting comfortable with the platform's layout and finding your way around. Now, let's place your first trade. Head over to the Trade tab, where you'll find all the necessary order entry tools. Select the asset you wish to trade, whether it's a stock or an option. Choose your order type, such as a market order or a limit order, and then specify the quantity and price. Always double-check your order details before confirming to ensure accuracy. Thinkorswim offers powerful charting and analysis tools. You can access hundreds of technical indicators to help you make informed decisions. Customize your chart layouts and timeframes, from 1-minute intervals to daily views, for a comprehensive market perspective. Use the drawing tools to identify trends, support, and resistance levels, enhancing your technical analysis capabilities significantly. Beyond basic trading, Thinkorswim provides advanced features. The Analyze tab allows you to perform risk analysis and backtest trading strategies. Create personalized watch lists to keep a close eye on your favorite stocks and options. You can also fully customize your workspace with detachable windows and unique layouts, tailoring the platform to your specific trading style and preferences for maximum efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.